Hello everyone, you're highly welcome to this data analysis class. I am Chiwendo and I will be your tutor as you delve into the world of data analysis. Alright, first of all, before I give you my definition of data analysis, I would love you to paint a scenario in your head whereby you are given a puzzle to solve, a problem, and to solve this, you are given clues, pointers on how to solve this problem. So what you do first of all is to take these clues, clean them up, arrange them in a way, and after that you are able to draw, see the patterns from those clues, and then get your information which you will use to solve this puzzle or problem you were given. That is essentially what data analysis is about. Your clues are your raw data. You arrange them, clean them, organize them, and after that you are able to see the patterns, to get the patterns from them, and then draw meaningful insights from this data. That is essentially what data analysis is about, and the process involves inspecting the data, cleaning the data, transforming the data, modeling the data, and then finally you also need to communicate this data to those who need it. You will ask, why is data important? Why is data analysis important? Does it even matter? And I will tell you that yes, it matters very, very, very well. As individuals, we use data, organizations use data, businesses use data. The world regenerates data daily. For the fact you wake up and you have a list of things you want to do and you set them according to priorities, or you wake up and you want to go out and you decide, okay, what will I wear? You start making your choices. A lot of things, or even what you eat in a day, you have to think, you have to weigh one or two things. So all these are decision makings, and to make decisions you need data. So whether in business, whether in science and research, whether in healthcare, whether in technology, even government, even sports, for those of us that love football, we need data. It is something that we cannot do without. So we can see that from these places that where we use data, we can see that the job opportunities that are available in data analysis is very much. Whether you want to be a tutor like me, whether you want to help businesses make meaningful decisions for their business, whether you came from a medical background and then you want to go into data analysis to help hospitals, health facilities, to help them have better patient outcomes, treat their patients well, be able to decide, okay, in the future so and so disease can come out. There are a lot of opportunities in data analysis. Then you ask, what is the importance of data analysis? Data analysis is very important in the sense that it helps make smarter decisions. It helps make informed decisions, decisions that are evidence based, right? So when you have this data from the past, or not, if you say in the past, it might be like years, it might be like months, right? When you have this data, you can get insight to, okay, this period or time of the year, this kind of things occur, and from there it can help you to make better decisions. It can help you to solve complex problems. It's Data does a whole lot for us. And then in the course of this journey, data analysis journey, we'll have a joyful ride. It is not so Data can be overwhelming, it can be, I will not say frustrating, but it can be overwhelming, but we will make it easier. We'll all enjoy, we will all learn. So in the course of this study, we'll be learning the tools that we use for data analysis. We'll be learning how to implement these tools, how to implement the processes of data analysis into these tools, the processes of cleaning data, the processes of arranging data, the processes of transforming it, and building compelling visualizations that will send out the information that you found from the data, right? So that is what we'll be doing in this course, and these tools include Excel, SQL, and Power BI. The goal of this course is to prepare and build us so that when we are done with this course, we can confidently stand out, we can confidently take up data. No matter how raw and messy it is, we can confidently take it up, clean it, organize it, and be able to visualize it and also communicate our findings in layman's language to the people who need it. Because definitely that not everybody outside there understands the data terms. So you need to communicate it to your stakeholders in a way that they can be able to understand. Thank you very much. This is the end of our class for today. See you in the next class.